This video explains how information systems serve the different management groups in the business and how do systems that link the enterprise improve organizational performance. We start the video by identifying which systems support the different management groups. Then we discuss how and what systems help to link the enterprise and view an example related to that topic. We then close by talking about three concepts: e-business, e-commerce, and e-government. No single system can provide all the information needed by an organization. A typical business organization has systems supporting each of the major business functions and each of the main management groups: operational, middle, and senior management. Functional systems that operate independently of each other cannot easily share information, but cross-functional systems can integrate the activities of related business processes and organizational units. Let's look at these systems and the types of decisions they support. The systems that provide this support include transaction processing systems and systems for business intelligence. Transaction processing systems serve operational management by monitoring the status of internal operations and the relations with the exterior, like the flow of transactions. A small TPS failure could have serious consequences. Business intelligence addresses the decision-making needs of all levels of management. Let's talk about some categories. Management information systems serve middle management by providing reports on the organization's current performance, which are used to monitor, control, and predict future performance, using data from TPS. These systems generally are not flexible and lack analytical capability because they use simple routines. Decision support systems serve super user managers and business analysts who want to use sophisticated routines to analyze data and tackle complex problems. They use internal information from TPS and MIS, but also information from external sources such as current stock prices. Executive support systems help senior management make decisions regarding strategic issues. Enterprise applications make the different systems in a company work together. Let's talk about four major enterprise applications. Enterprise resource planning systems integrate all business processes into a single software system. Information is stored in a single comprehensive data repository where it can be used by many different parts of the business. Supply chain management systems help to manage relationships with suppliers. These systems raise efficiency by sharing information about orders, production, inventory, deliveries, and services. Customer relationship management systems help to manage relationships with customers by providing information to coordinate all the business processes that deal with customers. Knowledge management systems collect all relevant knowledge and experience in the firm and from external sources to improve business processes and management decisions. Enterprise applications are often costly and difficult to implement, so intranets and extranets are an alternative. Intranets are internal company websites or private access areas in those websites that are accessible only by employees. Extranets are company websites that are accessible to authorized vendors and suppliers and are often used to coordinate the movement of suppliers with the company's production. Using their interactive intranet for employee collaboration and strategic alignment, Vodafone achieved over 88% adoption and saved over 2 million through increased employee efficiency, by spending less time in meetings, for example. Regarding customer service, they've reduced uncovered calls by 24%, sped average call processing time by 12%, and even decreased staff turnover. Capabilities include blogs, a project portal, online Q&A sessions with senior leaders, among others. The systems I've just described are transforming companies' relationships into digital relationships. E-business refers to the use of digital technology and the internet to execute the major business processes in the enterprise. It includes e-commerce, which is a part of e-business that deals with the buying and selling of goods and services over the internet. E-government is the application of the internet and networking technologies to digitally enable government and public sector agencies' relationships with citizens, businesses, and other arms of government. It makes government operations more efficient and empowers citizens by giving them easier access to information and services.